Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rice egg fried. Use chilled cooked rice to prevent clumping and separate grains with a fork before cooking. Heat a wok or large skillet over high heat until shimmering, then add oil and aromatics like garlic or scallion. Push ingredients to the side, pour in beaten eggs, scramble gently, then combine with rice and season to taste for a quick, satisfying meal. Gather simple ingredients: cooked rice, eggs, oil, soy sauce, and scallions. Measure 2 cups of rice and 2 large eggs for a balanced ratio. Warm the pan first so oil heats quickly, and keep everything within arm's reach for fast cooking. Prep add-ins like peas, diced ham, or shredded carrot, and drain any excess moisture from rice to avoid steaming during stir-fry. This setup lets you cook at high heat without overcooking the eggs. Quick recommendation: if you love easy recipes, grab the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading in any kitchen without worrying about splashes. It feels light, has a bright adjustable display, and stores thousands of cookbooks for inspiration during meal prep. If you like this video, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by heating oil until it shimmers, then add aromatics for 10 to 20 seconds to release flavor. Push rice to the side, pour beaten eggs into cleared space, and scramble until slightly set but still moist. Fold rice into eggs, add soy sauce and sesame oil to taste, then toss quickly to coat evenly. Finish with chopped scallions and a splash of toasted sesame oil for aroma. Serve hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.